Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the morning market stir for Wednesday, September 27th. Stocks were steady and stable yesterday after the tech downturn unwind that we saw on Monday. The S&P ended up finishing at unchanged, but at one time was within 5 points of the all-time forever high from last week. The Dow lost 12, but again, we're about 150 points away from the record. The NDX did gain back 0.25%. It was up about 0.5%, gave back some of those gains at the end of the session, and it was down 1% on Monday, so it's got some ground to make up. Action was in gold. Gold gave back the Monday bounce, and we were down $10 yesterday. 1302, holding above 1300, so that's an important level to keep an eye on a weekly basis, but again, erased much of that Monday bounce. Crude oil made some new relative highs yesterday, 52.40, again the highest since April. Closed a little bit lower, closed down 30 cents at 51.90, but still holding strong above that 50 level, which is very important. In the news yesterday was Fed talk, and now it seems that there's now a higher percentage, a higher probability that rates will be hiked in December. It's now up to 75% from around a 50% chance just a couple weeks ago. So the tougher talk looks like a rate hike is going to happen, but the market's held strong. Where do we stand here on Wednesday morning? Well, right now, stock index futures are stronger. We've got the S&P up 5, the Dow up 30, and the NDX up 18, so we're up about 0.25% there in the NASDAQ. Looking at the VIX, we're back below this 10 level. We've been trading between 10 and 12 now for most of the 5 months. Yes, we did have a baby VIX explosion in August, but we've come all the way back down once again. So a breakdown below this 10 targets 8 and all-time lows in the VIX, which would probably mean stronger stocks, obviously. The action of the day, we've got durable goods numbers that came out stronger than expected. The action of the day is the dollar. Again, we talked yesterday about the rate hike looks done. The dollar index is above 93, and the euro currency is below 118. First time in September for both these markets, which have reversed course here in the last week or so. That's knocking gold down $15. New relative lows there, lowest since August, and now $75 off that top just a couple weeks ago. On update right now, we're at $12.87, down $15 in gold. Crude oil right now is at $52.07, up about 25 cents. Again, $52.40 is a high. 53 is that target, or this is the 3. 53 is the target in crude from the range that we had between 47 and 50. Take that $3, add it on top. 53 is a measure move target that we'll have to look to see. But what is interesting is crude is holding up even though the dollar is strengthening. In other news, Twitter's adding characters from 140 characters to 280 characters, so we'll see if that doubles the stock price. I doubt it, and that's the action here for today. So to summarize, stock index futures are stronger, up 6 in the S&P, up 18 in the NDX, up 30 in the Dow, as we're about half an hour before the cash market open. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.